Hello students, welcome back. So today we'll be discussing class 7 mathematics question number 1.1 in chapter number 1. Following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So you can see a number line with many places marked on it, and the numbers indicate the corresponding temperatures. The first question, question A, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Now, when you observe the number line, you can see that 0 is over here as highlighted, and only the place Shimla is the place where you know the temperature. Shimla is marked at 5 degrees Celsius. Other places like Ooty, Bangalore, Srinagar, Lahul Spiti, all these temperatures are unknown. But don't worry, it's quite easy to find out the temperature of these places. There is no calculation involved. It's just marking on the number line, and there you go. So when you mark the number line, you mark to the right side of 0 and to the left side of 0. If you're marking numbers to the right side of 0, they will all be positive numbers. And if you're marking numbers to the left side of 0, it will all be negative numbers. So bear that in mind. So now I'll start marking towards the right first. So after 0, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So it goes on like that in a continuous way. So I'll skip this part, and I need first the temperature of Ooty, and Ooty is between 10 and 15. So I will mark the numbers after 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And there you go, you have the temperature of Ooty. Ooty corresponds to 14 degrees Celsius. Okay. And then I will mark after 20 now, because my next place is Bangalore, which is located between 20 and 25. So after 20, you have 21, 22, and you can stop there because Bangalore's temperature is already here. Bangalore is at 22 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now coming to the left side, you mark negative numbers as we have already mentioned. Now when you mark towards the left after 0, you have -1, -2, and hey, you can stop there because -2 corresponds to Srinagar. So you have got the temperature of Srinagar now. Now you need only the temperature of Lahul Spiti, and to know that after -5, you mark -6. Then you have -7 over here and -8, and -8 corresponds to Lahul Spiti over here. Okay, so now you have all the temperatures, and you can just write it down. Question number A. Lahul Spiti, the temperature is -8 degrees Celsius. It's a negative number. And then you have Srinagar. Srinagar corresponds to -2 degrees Celsius. Shimla, which is already given, it is 5 degrees Celsius. Ooty is 14 degrees Celsius. And Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. So you see how easy was that? You just looked at the number line and wrote the numbers. Now coming to the second question, question number B. What is the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest places among the above? The hottest place has the highest temperature and the coldest place has the lowest temperature. You can locate them very easily. The city having the highest temperature is Bangalore, which is located at the right extreme, and the city having the lowest temperature is Lahul Spiti, which is located at the left extreme. Okay, so hottest place temperature is 22 degrees Celsius. That is the temperature of Bangalore. And the coldest place temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius, which is the temperature of Lahul Spiti. Now, we'll calculate the difference. The difference is the hottest place minus coldest place. Hottest minus coldest. And that is 22 minus negative 8. It is not 8, it is negative 8. The coldest place temperature is negative 8. So that is equal to 22. This negative and negative becomes positive. Plus negative and negative becomes positive, and what remains is 8. Plus 8. And that is equal to 30 degrees Celsius. So that is answer for question number B, 30 degrees Celsius. Okay, now coming to question number C. What is the temperature difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar? It's quite easy. The difference between Lahul Spiti and Srinagar. Difference equal to the temperature in Lahul Spiti minus the temperature in Srinagar. Now you can say what is the temperature in Lahul Spiti. It is minus 8 degrees Celsius. And the temperature in Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Okay, so that is minus 8 minus, in Srinagar you have minus 2. So that's equal to minus 8. Here also negative and negative becomes plus. So plus, what is after negative, negative becomes plus. What is left is 2. So I write 2. So negative 8 plus 2, you have to subtract. You have to subtract between 8 and 2 and give the sign of the higher number. The higher number is negative, so it is, the answer will also be negative, and the result of subtraction 8 minus 2 is 6. Minus 6 degree Celsius. Okay, so there lies your answer for question number C. Now coming to question number D. Can we say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature at Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? So let's see. First we will take the temperature of Srinagar and temperature of Shimla together. So temperature of Srinagar plus temperature of Shimla. That's how you take them together. Temperature of Srinagar plus temperature of Shimla. The temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius, as you can see here. So I'll write it down, minus 2 plus, what is the temperature of Shimla? The temperature of Shimla is minus 5 degrees Celsius. Sorry, it is positive 5 degrees Celsius. Okay, so I'll write down the temperature of Shimla here, which is 5. Now when I add, it is negative 2 plus 5, means I have to subtract 5 minus 2. The answer will be 3. Okay, 3 degree Celsius is the temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Now the next question is it less than the temperature at Shimla? Is 3 less than the temperature at Shimla? Means is it less than 5? Because 5 is the temperature at Shimla. So they are asking, is it less than 5? So the answer is yes. It is less than the temperature at Shimla. Okay. Now the second part of the same question is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Is 3 less than the temperature at Srinagar? The temperature at Srinagar is minus 2. So instead of Srinagar, I will write minus 2. Is 3 less than minus 2? Of course not, because minus 2 is a negative number and it is much less than 3. You can see it from the number line also. 3 is greater than minus 2. So the answer here is no. Okay. So there goes your solution. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos. Press the bell icon to get the notifications when new videos are getting uploaded. Thank you.